And one of the main ways that I learned this was to look at comics that I really liked and try to break down what they were doing. And it's not a super intellectual exercise. You don't have to sit there and write an essay about it. But, for example, this is a page of a comic called Appleseed. And what I've done is, first I've just drawn the panels and counted them, right? 8 panels on the page, because different artists use different amounts of panels. Looked at how they're laid out, and I do this for different books. So this is like maybe a manga-style page layout. This is kind of an American indie comics style page layout. This is another one similar to that, except it has these huge margins. This is, so actually, let me be specific. So this is from Appleseed. This is, actually, I don't remember what this is from. Oh, this is from The Last Musketeer by a European guy named Jason. This is from American Born Chinese, some of you might have read. And this is from The Arrival, which some of you might have read. If you haven't, you should check out both of these. I think you have them both in the library. In fact, I know you have The Arrival. I saw that. Anyway, so once I've done that, and I've looked at the panels, then I will actually draw a very rough sketch of what's in each panel. And I'm not trying to copy the exact drawing. I actually don't think that's a super good way to learn to draw. However, doing it very roughly is a very good way to learn about how to stage the action in a comic. And if you're more interested in writing, you might, when you read a book, the writers that I know, when they read a book, they usually mark them up with lots of little post-it tags or something where it's like, oh, look at this great example of how they convey this character on this page. So just thinking a little bit, reading a little bit more deeply into works that you admire, and then trying to use those techniques in your own work, practicing, right? Practice is always the most important thing.